Dump, yep.
Ray's instructions were clear and concise. There was no beating around the bush. He was straight to the point. If there was a problem, he would tell you, and he's a fair man at the same time. I definitely recommend coming here and training with Sig and Ray and the whole team here, and I'd definitely be coming back in the future.
Yep, Ray's instructions, straight to the point, precise. His favourite one's always keep the finger off the trigger. He's always safety first, which is really good.
I certainly believe the way in which Ray delivers the course, how he delivers the training. It's obvious to see that he is a very, very professional and highly trained person, and not only that, but he's certainly a wonderful guy as well and easy to talk to, and he gives you every support that you can possibly want and help you to achieve your goals. And I would recommend him and his course to anybody who's interested in this field.